Welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about Mindhunter Season 3. Mindhunter is a Joe Penhall creation that delves into the minds of infamous serial killers and the FBI agents who try to understand them. As co-executive producer David Fincher has overseen many of the scriptwriting and production processes and in a way was the showrunner of the series. However, in spite of critical acclaim and a loyal following, the show was not able to draw enough viewers, according to Netflix, to justify the hefty price tag associated with its production. Mindhunter executive producer David Fincher provides an in-depth explanation regarding why season 3 of the show was cancelled. Created by Joe Penhall, Mindhunter was first released on Netflix in 2017, earning acclaim from audiences and critics alike for its twisted exploration of the FBI's early investigations into serial killer psychology. Season 2 released in 2019 and was similarly critically acclaimed, but a season 3 never arrived, and Fincher would finally confirm last February that it has been scrapped. Fincher made the right decision about Mindhunter Season 3. Fincher's comment suggests that Mindhunter Season 2 may not have been the end if he and the creative team behind the show had decided to broaden the series' appeal. It's not clear what this would have entailed, but it could have included anything from adding in more traditional action sequences to leaning away from the show's dark tone and disturbing themes. Whatever it may have been, it would have changed the fabric of the show. While members of the Mindhunter cast have confirmed that they would have returned for season 3 if it had to come together, it ultimately may not have been worth it if the show had returned with major changes. The series perhaps never found the large audience that it needed, but it earned great reviews from those who did watch it. Instead of continuing and sacrificing quality or artistic vision, it's certainly respectable that Fincher and the creative team decided to walk away. The Mindhunter Season 2 finale leaves the door open for the story to continue, meaning the show has now joined a growing list of other cancelled Netflix shows that did not get a proper series finale. But even with the finale not wrapping everything up with a tidy bow, it still caps off a strong season of television. Although it's disappointing that more serial killers were not explored in a season 3 and beyond, at least Mindhunter's reputation will now never be sullied with a disappointing new season. Well, that is it for today. Thank you for watching the video till then. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.